So I was just scrolling through the channel guides for this cable system right now, and I happened to stumble upon this. This is the emergency alert system channel for the cable system that this house is hooked up to. I do not know what emergency alert system encoder they use, but this is a screen that pops up. This is on Xfinity. So I don't know what emergency alert system encoder they use. Possibly a Monroe Electronics encoder. Show you the same thing on the other TV. Same thing on here. And I have no idea what emergency alert system encoder they use. This is on Comcast for the Lee County cable system in Florida. On the info it says emergency alert system. So I was just scrolling through the guides and I happened to stumble upon this when I was looking for some other radio channels. And that is pretty much it.